on fire.
Nana, you wanted a chef, well guess who? Home cooked meal, she will impress you. She's Nana, the saucy chef, what y'all cooking. A lot of y'all don't wanna admit it, but y'all looking. She's Nana, the saucy chef. 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 Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the saucy chef. Today I'm going to be making chicken pot pie orzo. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 2 cups of chicken broth, 1/2 cup of heavy whipping cream, 2 chicken breasts diced into small pieces, 1.5 cups of uncooked orzo pasta, 2 carrots sliced thinly, 2 celery ribs sliced thinly, 1 small onion diced, 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Then we're going to need another 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of adobo all-purpose seasoning, 1.5 teaspoons of garlic powder, 1.5 teaspoons of onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, 5 tablespoons of butter, and 1/3 cup of all-purpose flour. Okay, we're going to start off with our chicken. I'm going to add in my black pepper, my paprika, adobo all-purpose seasoning, garlic powder, and my onion powder. And you just want to mix your chicken until it's well combined and coat it in the seasoning. Now to a heated skillet, I'm going to add in my 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and I'm going to let that come to temperature. Once it comes to temperature, you could begin to add in your chicken. We're going to let our chicken cook for 10 to 12 minutes until the chicken is cooked all the way through. Okay guys, once your chicken is done cooking, we're going to go ahead and turn off the heat. And you want to remove your chicken. We're going to place it in a bowl and set it to the side. To a pot of boiling water, we're going to add in our orzo. Now you want to let that cook for 9 minutes. Now to a heated skillet over medium heat, I'm going to add in your butter. And we're also going to add in our olive oil. We're going to let that butter melt. Once your butter has melted, you want to add in your onion, celery, and also carrots. And we're just going to let that saute for 7 minutes or until the veggies are soft. After your orzo is done cooking, you want to turn off the heat and you want to drain it and set it to the side. Okay, now we're going to begin to add in our all-purpose flour. I'm going to sprinkle it all over top of your veggies. And now you want to continuously whisk it for 2 minutes until it makes a paste. Just keep on whisking it. You want to get that flour taste out of it. For 2 minutes, you want to add in your chicken broth. also going to add in our heavy cream. You want to go ahead and mix that until it's well combined. We're going to continue to whisk it until it thickens up. Okay guys, now you can add in your chicken breast. We're going to also add in our orzo. And you can go ahead and mix it until it's well combined. As you can see, our sauce has thickened up nicely. Okay guys, look how nice and creamy this is. So now you can turn off your heat. Okay guys, so here we have it, our chicken pot pie orzo. If you love chicken pot pies, you're going to love this recipe. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back, please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?
Thank you for following me.
Y'all hungry yet?